Hello YouTubers, this is my review on this product, the Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer. This is a 2004 Chrysler 300M. I posted some pictures, I will be posting some before and after pictures of what it looked like before. But this is the end word result. It came out really good. I do recommend this product. It really do work, because oxidation had set in on the driver's side lens. As you can see, it is clear, almost factory clear. Results are amazing. Again, I do recommend this Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorator Kit. I bought this at my local AutoZone for about like 13 bucks. It's well worth it. Amazing what that kit was able to do with these fogged up lenses. Again, I will be posting before and after pics. 2004 Chrysler 300M Special.